Hello, Sam. Why have you come to school putting on your plain personal dress? Sorry, sir. I have sent the most of my clothes to the laundry. But I couldn't miss my classes. Good, you can't miss your classes. One thing I tell you, Sam, that the school uniform is not simply a show or an attraction, but it is a symbol of identity and unity with the school. Would you please explain this, sir? Oh yes, when you use your school dress, it appears that you belong to the school, you are proud of the school. But, when you don't use the school dress, it appears that you belong to one of the hundreds of different families. Your identity is lost. But my parents are there to teach me a certain standard of dress for certain occasions. Is it not sufficient, sir? Of course. The home is the place where you grow up and get the most of the elementary education from your parents. I do agree, but how many families are as solvent or educated as yours? What is the condition of the children belonging to the uneducated or economically distressed families? I am extremely sorry, sir. Today when I entered the class, everyone looked at me as if I were an unexpected stranger. Is it not clear to you why I am pressing hard for the school dress? Yes, sir. I will not do the same mistake again. Thank you. Sam. Thank you. Sir.